students. Today we are going to continue with English chapter 2 from your supplementary reader book An Alien Hand. And name of the chapter is Bringing Up Curry. Here I am going to continue with the third and the last part of the chapter. If you want, you can view the first and second part of the chapter for your reference. So let's begin. It goes like, an elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. Okay, so like he said before, that the elephant is like a small baby. He will do whatever you teach him, and like how we control small babies, we need to control the elephant also. If you say that and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Okay, if you want to make him sit, you have to say that and pull his ear. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. Okay, so if you want the elephant to walk, then you have to say Mali and pull his trunk forward. Then he will gradually walk. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn Dhat. Okay, so he learned Mali fast, then he learned Dhat. Mali is when you want to make him walk, you have to pull his trunk, and you have to say Mali and pull his trunk, and when you want him to sit, you have to say Dhat and pull his ear. So he was no good at sitting down, so he learned to take the instruction to walk first, then to sit. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller and taller than you who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. Okay, so you have to make an elephant sit, otherwise it will keep growing taller and taller and you will not be able to reach. You will need a ladder to reach him. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying Dhat, so that you can climb upon his back, for who would want to carry a ladder around all the time? So okay, so here he says that he needs to know about the Dhat, because if you want to sit on the elephant, then you can say Dhat, and he comes to know that he has to sit down, and it will be easy for the person to climb up. Otherwise, who can carry the ladder everywhere? The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other, and you have to make that kind of a noise in his ear. Okay, so when he needs to call his master, this sound he learns after 5 years. Okay, so he takes 5 years to learn this sound. So this sound is a mixture of strange hissing, howling sound, as if a snake and the tiger. It's a mixture of a snake and a tiger fighting sound. This you have to keep repeating in his ears. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and everything is black except the stars above, you dare not stay very long anywhere. Okay, so whenever you are in trouble, then you need to call someone. At that time you can use the master call. The only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away as the trees come crashing down. Monkeys wake from their sleep and run from branch to branch. You can see them in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stags running in all directions below. Okay, so he says that if you give this, when you are in trouble and you give this master call, the elephant at once pulls the trees down and everything goes haywire. One monkeys that are sitting on the branch, they wake up and they start running, and the animal gets scared. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance, the sound made by the tiger. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next, and then continuously the elephant will keep pulling down the trees. Soon you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight to your house. Okay, then you will see that he has made his way after pulling the trees down. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you all have understood. This is the last part of the story. If you have any difficulties, then you can contact me. Thank you.